Nice view of the lake.
Yeah, it is. It's down again.
Yeah. Can't see the ruins from here though. An ancient scene. You know how they got the water up here, right?
Carry.
The bitches carried it. They made the bitches do it. Not even up to the top yet. I'm beat. And that's it.
That is
Wow.
pretty wild.
That'd be cool if you could actually go up in them. If it weren't for the bees.
That is fascinating.
Wow. Awesome view from up here though.
It is. That's good view there too.
Gotta get the bikes, of course.